Today's lesson is 3.1 from the 7th grade book. The objective students will determine rates from words, tables, and graphs. Our page numbers out of the hardcover book are pages 98 through 103 and pages 55 through 58. We'll be covering standards 7RP1 and 2B. So on page 55 of your practice journal, we'll be working through the activity off of this. And on this activity, we're working with description of a rate, the verbal rate, and then as well as the numerical rate, and coming up with some reasonable examples for our numerical rate. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and number or label all of these as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And we're going to go ahead and do some matching. So for our first description, we have your pay rate for washing cars. So as we look for this, pay rate is going to be involving money. So as we look through our verbal rates, we need to find one that involves money. So here I've got one that has dollars per hour. I also have another one that says dollars per year. So thinking about washing of cars, do you think we would get paid in dollars per hour or dollars per year? Well, we're going to go ahead and do our dollars per hour. So our description and our verbal rate, well, the description would be dollars. So I'm going to use the dollar symbol per hour. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and find that numerical rate over in the right-hand column. And we'll put an A next to that one, just so we don't have to draw a bunch of lines to connect. So our dollars per hour here, let's see, we've got dollars per hour right here. So this would be our letter A. And our reasonable rate, maybe in dollars per hour, maybe we might get paid $8 per hour to do that. Maybe if it's just a basic job. And maybe if you're going through and doing like a detailed job on a car, maybe you'll get paid more. Maybe it might be something like $20 per hour. Okay, so, whoops. So in this last column, you're just kind of giving an estimate of what you think somebody might make in that situation. Okay, so let's try letter B. We have the average rainfall in a rainforest. So rainfall is usually measured in inches. So if we find something that involves inches, this time I've got, let's see, inches per month. And then down here I have inches per year. Well, usually when you talk about rainfall in a certain area, you think of annual rainfall, so that would be per year. So for this one, let's do inches per year. Okay, so that one we're not going to use. We're done using that one. And then we're also done using this dollars per hour. Okay, so inches per year, if I find that over in the right-hand column, our inches per year is right here. So this would be letter B. And so now we're going to come up with some reasonable examples for inches per year. So maybe in a rainforest, they get lots of rain. Maybe it's like, I don't know, 30 inches per year. And it could be more, it could be less. So maybe somebody else might say they think 20 inches per year is a large amount. If we want to go in and investigate that, we could get online and look up some different rainforests and kind of see how many inches per year they get. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to go ahead and pause your video and work your way through the rest of this activity. When you're finished, you can come check with me, and I'll go ahead and let you use my answer key to kind of check yourself as in terms of just your matching of your description and your verbal rates. Obviously, we're not all going to have the exact same numbers for this numerical rate. Okay, so good luck with this one. You can actually stop your video because I'm not going to have the answers on this. So good luck.